Alright, this is me back again. Gonna bust open a blaster box of Donruss Americana 2, and like I've seen a lot of people do on here for their box breaks, I'm going to use this fantastic knife to open this wimpy little cellophane packaging. Getting here. From what I understand, supposedly one, or at least one memorabilia per blaster box. Actually, I bought one a few days ago that had 2 memorabilia cards in it. Looks like we got one thick pack here. Save that till last. Open these and hope for an auto. Feldman, Sean Pyfrom, Gary Sinise, Brutus the Barber Beefcake. Honestly, Natalie Lee here. Honestly, I'm hoping that I don't pull any of these, what are they called? The Ring Kings? I don't really care much about the fighters. I guess if I do, you'll know immediately it is up for sale or trade. I'll go through these kind of quick. Gary Coleman. Let's see. Looking for an autograph here. Base cards aren't too fun in this day and age. Looking for memorabilia, autographs, proofs, of course, numbered cards. Jane Russell. There we go, Billy Mays. I'm a baseball collector, so it's definitely a plus for me. I hadn't found too many baseball in here. I'm not sure how many they included. Jackie Chan. Don't see that one very often. I bought a few of these blaster boxes, so it could be an SP. Not sure though. Here we go. Here is a Cinema Stars insert, numbered 95 out of 500. Cinema Stars, Peter Graves. And we have George Bush, Kurt Russell. Alright, that does it for the non-hit packs. This should be the one with the hit. So let's see which piece of memorabilia I get. Stephen Tobolowsky. Oops. Gloria Stewart. Let's see. Ed Asner. Goldie Hawn, and I'm not looking at the back of the hit, so I want you to see too. It is Julia Newman. It's numbered 6 out of 500. A piece of a I don't know. It's not very interesting. It's pink shirt or dress or something like that. Julia Newman, Newmar. For all those out there who actually know who she is, I apologize for mispronouncing her name. Julie Newmar was a ballerina, pinup girl, and stupefying Jones on Broadway's Little Abner. She hit television first on The Twilight Zone as the devilish Miss Devlin, and another show as a robot. Then friends told her to try out for the role she never heard of, Catwoman. So there you go, Julie Newmar. Probably best known for Catwoman. Pink piece. She's cute. There you go. Thanks for watching.